If you're currently considering the purchase of an off-grid or backup power system for your home, business, or mobile application, and are researching which products will best meet your needs, we would like to offer one piece of advice that can help you make a confident, well-informed decision. Drawing on nearly 30 years of experience in the renewable energy industry, this is one of the most important recommendations we can share. When evaluating product recommendations on YouTube, exercise caution with videos centered around unboxings, quick reviews, teardowns, or basic installation walkthroughs. While these videos may be entertaining or helpful for seeing a product out of the box, they rarely provide meaningful insight into long-term reliability, engineering quality, or real-world performance. Instead, we strongly recommend conducting thorough due diligence on any brand or model of solar system component you are considering. One simple and highly effective step is to search for documented consumer complaints. For example, enter the product's model name followed by the word complaints into Google's search bar. This quick search can reveal a consolidated view of real-world user experiences, as Google aggregates feedback and reports from a wide range of credible sources across the internet. Reviewing this information can provide valuable insight into product reliability, recurring performance issues, and long-term customer satisfaction, helping you make a far more informed purchasing decision before investing in your system. Whether you're powering a full-blown off-grid metal concert in the middle of nowhere, lights blazing, amps screaming, or holding the line at home when the grid goes dark and the storm starts raging, DIYsolar.com delivers relentless power, unshakable reliability, built for the extremes, with the lowest prices, the best gear on the market, and service that never quits.
You want power that hits like a train, not some weak link that can't take the strain. We bring the heat, we bring the drive, flip that switch, feel it come alive. No more waiting on a broken line, cut it loose, this power's mine. Best price, no compromise, built to run, built to survive. Crank it up, set it free, DIY solar energy. No grid, no chains tonight, just raw power done right. DIYsolar.com. Turn it on and let it ride. Sun goes up.
We use only the finest inverters and switchgear in our DIY battery backup systems. Our 10-kilowatt iron core inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, it's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market. You won't find cheap bargain bin switchgear buried inside these heavy-duty inverter systems like you will in many of the mass-produced high-frequency units flooding today's market. The Iron Core 10-kilowatt heavy-duty low-frequency transformer-based inverter is built using professional-grade switchgear engineered by Schneider Electric, one of the most respected names in industrial power systems on the planet. Headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, Schneider Electric is backed by more than 160,000 employees and over 1 million partners across 100-plus countries, and is consistently recognized as one of the world's most trusted and sustainable energy technology companies. This is industrial-grade hardware designed for real-world abuse, long-term reliability, and safer operation, not the lightweight, cost-cutting electronics that many of our competitors rely on.